What do you think, Samantha? Would you ever approach a business owner about creating a website for them?
Oh man, that's a tough one because I am not a salesman. I am just I'm an IC. I like to work for somebody else, but I think it's very important. You have to start from somewhere. Things are not going to fall into your lap, so that is a quick way to get people to start using you. Like you need to have a portfolio of work to show other people. So like, why not try to build your portfolio while you're getting paid? A lot of these people they just want help. They don't need something like looks like Facebook. They don't need something that looks like Google. They just really just need something that will get the job done and will work for their users. So I've heard lots of people go knock on the doors, especially nowadays. People have menus, like because we're ordering
Yeah.
through our phones now instead of like with paper menus. I wish paper menus were back, but but they don't have good menus. So like doing that, just like that's a simple landing page,
Yeah.
so easy to build. Pretty much beginner skills can make a landing page with a menu on it.
That's such a great idea. I think creating like a digital menu for these restaurants is such a great opportunity to not only build upon your skills, but to get like real professional experience for your resume. So if you do decide to go and apply for a regular job, you have professional experience that you can pull from. That's such a great idea.
I think also making it responsive for mobile applications. As we mentioned, like a lot of users are on their mobile phone as opposed to being on a desktop. So I think adding that skill will also be very profitable as well.
Yeah. Would you ever approach a business owner to build them a website, Sandy?
I definitely would. I am the type that would do that because like any experience is I feel like it's very valuable. So even if I don't have a super ton of experience, I'd love to have that owner take a chance on me, right? And build the very best website that I could possibly build and then actually showcase that on my resume. From that experience, I could do more freelance work. I could even put it on Fiverr or Upwork. So I kind of just run with it from there. Like Samantha said, you got to start from somewhere.
I love that. Fiverr and Upwork, it's a great like entry level avenue to start your own web development agency or to start your own freelancing if that's something that you're interested in. I know me personally, I don't know if I would be brave enough to go up to a business owner and say, "Hey, I want to build you a website."
Yeah.
um, but I would definitely send them an email. I would definitely send an email. I don't know if I would be brave enough to talk to them face to face. Let's dig more into what Samantha mentioned earlier. She mentioned that she would love to start like a mentorship program. And I know that I personally think that one-on-one consultations would be a great way for experienced developers to give back to newer developers and earn some extra coin because we have a lot of knowledge and skills and know-how that junior engineers are looking for. I know that when I was a junior, I wish I had somebody that I could meet with for even 20 minutes. I would pay them for their time just to pick their brains. And so I love that Samantha wants to offer that. And I know that I personally offer that. I've met with a few people and it's been great and I love doing it. I just love connecting with others.